Hello, this is Jerome Sorlia, and today I'm going to share to you all the things that we bought at Binondo or the Chinatown here in the Philippines during the Chinese New Year for 2024 Year of the Dragon. So come, let's get closer and let's have fun. So the first stop what we bought is when we went to Quiapo, which is the next district near Binondo, is this dragon fruit tikoy. This one is a limited edition of tikoy, and then what's so nice about it is they said the lucky fruit for this year is the dragon fruit. And it has a very cute mascot, I think. Isn't it nice? So I'm really very excited to taste this one. It's from MBT, of course, and I really like it. Aside from that one, we bought hopia, which is the flavor is durian, very Filipino with a touch of Chinese culture, but we ate it along the way, of course. Then the next we bought is this calendar, kasi sa apartment namin I don't like calendar talaga hanging on the wall, but this one is different. It's special because it has a huge print of a dragon. And then, pagtapos na siguro yung Year of the Dragon, pwede natin i-cut yung yung mga dates na to. Yan. At gagawin na lang siyang sa wall talaga. Ang tawag dyan, pan-display, adorno. And then after that, of course, yung naglalakad kami sa Ongpin, napakasikip. Hanggang sa nakapunta kami sa Plaza Lorenzo. And then we went sa Lucky China, I don't know what you call that, small, but it's way better at medyo okay. Pero dati kasi may mga something dun na very Chinese naiba na yung nila. Nakita ko na may exhibit doon ang post office. So might as well I'm going to buy some stamps. Pero ito kasi yung isa sa mga stamps na gusto ko. And then gusto ko mamigay ng postcard for special occasion or events. Ito yung gusto ko ilagay kasi the nomination niya is only 16 pesos, which is actually 14 pesos lang talaga yung sa postcard, pero okay na yan kasi I like the drawings by Beth Parocha. It's all about children, diba? Very nice. And then naglalakad kami sa Ongpin, inabutan kami ng mga used cards kasi may casino doon, 'di ba? Kapag nagdi-deal sila after ng game, hindi na nila ginagamit. This one is may dragon kasi na na sign sa likod, kaya siguro ipinamigay nila. And then while looking around sa Lucky Chinatown Mall, sale ang Nivea, 50% off. Usually kapag sale ang Nivea, nag-i-stock up na ako ng deodorant. Though this is not Chinese product, but I felt happy na nagkaroon na uli silang sale. I think this only once a year nag-sale yung Nivea. Might as well buy na lang ng mga nila. Deodorant talaga ang binibili ko doon. At saka lip balm. Isa lang binili ko kasi for traveling. Pag nasa office ako at saka nasa bahay, usually petroleum jelly yung ginagamit ko. But this is not bad. 75 pesos na lang ata to. Diba? And then, yan. Matagal na ako naghahanap ng aftershave sa mga SM, sa mga botika or sa Mercury Drug. Hindi ako nakakita. Doon lang sa Binondo ako nakakita uli ng ganito. Kasi nagkakaroon ako ng mga razor burn. But hindi siya sale, pero okay na lang. And then along the way, of course, gusto ko kumain ng pongkan. I like the pongkan itself, so might as well buy something like pongkan. Gabi na nun, kaya ginawa nila 3 for 50. Pero sa mga iba, ano ata, yung tumpok 100, pero ano sila, 5 lang. Pero I don't need that much kasi minsan hindi ko alam, hindi ako marunong mamili eh. Tuyo yung nakukuha ko kadalasan. Sana ito very juicy. Then of course this one, I like this one. Mga pera-perahan na hinahagis-hagis tuwing Chinese New Year. I bought this one sa Poland. 'Di ba? Ito kasi alam ko may something nice sa loob to. And yung mga chocolate na to, if not mistaken, dark chocolate to. I like it. I like it. Yan. So basically, those are all the things that I bought sa Binondo. Pero muntik na nga nakabili ako na yung parang bibe na linalagay sa ulo. Pero I prefer yung pinwheel, but then again, it's quite expensive. Una, 25. Mayroon 35. Tapos may 40. That's too much, I guess. And then it's ugly, actually. Yung bibe, if not mistaken, that's the rubber ducky in Hong Kong. Pero I don't know why. Bakit may mga bibi naglalagay sa ulo na rubber ducky sa during sa Year of the Dragon? Probably kasi marami silang pera. And 40 pesos or 45, let's say 30 to 45 is okay lang sa kanila, but for me, no. Might as well I'm going to buy some oranges or pongkan like that, diba? O hopia. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye for now. It's the Year of the Dragon, Wooden Dragon. Bye bye po.